Hi friends, welcome back. I have another tip for you, how to blanch the spinach or palak retaining its green color. This really comes handy especially during the monsoon season when the greens spoil very easily. We can blanch it this way and store it in the freezer for later use. Here is a bunch of spinach. I have discarded the thicker stems, keeping the tender ones intact. Now we are going to blanch it. First, wash the leaves very well, changing water many times, as we have to remove all the dust or sand particles. Take a pan, preferably a wide one, and fill it with water, little less than the brim, so that the leaves immerse properly. Once it starts boiling, add 3 to 4 pinches of baking powder. And half teaspoon of salt. Salt and baking soda help to retain the green color. Now immerse a portion of the leaves, as many fit into the pan. Cover it. Boil for 30 seconds. We don't have to overcook the spinach, just blanch it. With the tongs, turn the side of the leaves so that they get cooked evenly. Now remove them on a platter. The same way, do the remaining leaves also. It's done in a jiffy, doesn't take long. Meanwhile, on the side, you take a large bowl, fill it with chilled water with some ice cubes in it. Keep it ready, as we have to quickly immerse these in ice cold water. Now the second one is out on the platter. So quickly we are going to drop them into the ice cold water. This will retain the nice lovely green color. Now repeat the same process with the remaining leaves. After a minute or so, you can remove them in a colander so that all the water is drained out. Here goes the second batch of cooked leaves into the ice water. Once these are done, we'll remove the entire thing into the colander. Drain the water completely, and then you can use it or freeze it the way you want. What a lovely green color, isn't it? Friends, I hope you like this tip. Do you have any other tips how you blanch and store your spinach? You can share it with me in the comment section. Here now it is ready to go into the freezer. This way you can freeze it and use as and when required to make your soups and curries. You can also freeze them in the Ziploc bag. See you soon with more recipes. Have a nice day. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post a new video. Here are some videos from the archives. You might have missed them, so you can watch them now.